South Korea is facing a severe job crisis as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. The nation's employment market is now showing 7 straight months of on-year decline. Adding to the woes, data shows South Korea's young people are bearing the brunt of the hardships at this current time. Eum Ji-young reports.
The COVID-19 outbreak is wreaking havoc on South Korea's job market, and it is taking an especially big hit on employment among young people. According to the latest job data released by Statistics Korea on Wednesday, young people between 15 and 39 saw the largest on-year decline in April and September due to the surge in COVID-19 infections since the start of the pandemic. In April, that age range had roughly 420,000 fewer jobs than the year earlier, while the corresponding number in September was more than 500,000. All age brackets except for people over 60 saw a drop in April and September. An official at Statistics Korea said young people were hit hardest as the majority of them work in the service sector, which requires face-to-face interaction. The biggest job losses in September were in the restaurant and lodging sectors, which recorded a 10% fall or 225,000 fewer jobs last month than a year earlier. The wholesale and retail industry and the education industry saw 207,000 and 151,000 job losses, respectively. About 62% of the on-year decline in the restaurants and lodging sectors were those between 15 and 39. People in that bracket accounted for about 85% and 23% of the on-year decline in the education and wholesale and retail industry, respectively. The number of jobs in the restaurant, lodging, and wholesale industry also hit a 7.5-year low. It showed 9 straight months of on-year drops as the self-employed in those sectors were also hit hard as a result of the stricter social distancing measures. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.